Ohm's law. To determine resistance per centimeter of a given wire by plotting a graph of potential difference versus current. Experiment number 1, +2 class, non-medical, medical, science stream. Apparatus required: battery eliminator, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter, प्लग की एंड वायर जिसकी हमने रेजिस्टेंस पता करनी है, स्क्रू गॉज to measure the diameter of this wire, and a scale to note down the length of this wire. First, we will cut the wire of a particular length, 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, as you wish. I have taken wire of length 16 centimeter. Now we will find out the diameter of this wire. With the help of screw gauge, reading on circular scale 50, 0.050, main scale 0, so answer will be 0. Diameter of wire इनको प्लस किया 0.05 सेंटीमीटर, 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. We will make this circuit to perform an experiment. Here we will use the wire of which resistance to be calculated. It is a series circuit. Negative of battery is attached with the plug key, one end of plug key, other end of plug key is attached with the one end of the rheostat, and other end of the rheostat is attached with the negative point of ammeter, and positive terminal of ammeter is connected with the resistor. Next is other end of the resistor is attached with the positive terminal. So this is called a series circuit. Now we will join the voltmeter in parallel to this wire to find out the potential difference across this resistance. Now I connected the voltmeter in parallel, positive to positive side and negative to negative side. Now we will take the reading. We will plug the key and we'll get the reading of ammeter and voltmeter. Here voltmeter reading is, first we will calculate the least count. Here 10 number of division, in 10 number of 10 division there is 0.5 volt, and here is in 10 division there is 1 ampere, and their least count will be 0.1 ampere for one division, and its least count will be 0.05 for one division. We will take the reading. Here total number of division is 1, 2, 2 division is here. Here is 1 division. Similarly, we will take 2 or 3 reading like this by changing the value of current with the help of rheostat. As we move this rheostat into left hand side, value of potential is increasing and current also increases. So with this way we will take the reading with the help of rheostat without changing the source voltage. When current goes from this point, enter into this point and move and flow here, and with the help of this point it will enter into this wire and leave from this wire from this point. If I take this movable screw here, then current will goes from this side and it means length increases for the flow of current. Length increases means to say current decreases. We have taken the reading of voltmeter and ammeter 2, 4, 6, 8 division 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will multiply this 2 with 0.05, we will get 0.1 volt. Similarly, we will multiply here 0.05, we will get 0.2 volt. Here 6 multiply 0.05, we will get 0.3 volt. 8 multiply 0.05 is equal to 0.4 volt. Now here division is 1 into 0.1, that is 0.1 ampere. 2 into 0.1, 0.2 ampere. 3 into 0.1, 0.3 ampere. 4 into 0.1, 0.4 ampere. So we got the reading of B and I. Now we will calculate the value of resistance of this wire. Formula, as you know, that R is equal to V upon I. So V upon I 0.1 divided by 0.1, that will be 1 ohm. Here 0.2 divided by 0.2, that is also a 1 ohm. Next is 0.3 divided by 0.3, that is 1 ohm, and 0.4 divided by 0.4, that is 1 ohm. Now we will take the mean of this value to find the true value, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, that is 1 ohm. If we make the diagram of this, we will get the straight line. If we calculate the value of this delta V and delta I, what will we get? R is equal to what? Delta V upon delta I. Delta V, we can take any reading from this observation table. So if we take these points, these 2 points, so it will be 0.3 minus 0.2 divided by corresponding current 0.3 minus 0.2, that will be 1 ohm. This is the resistance of this wire. Now we will calculate the resistance per centimeter. So to find the resistance per centimeter, of wire we will divide 1 by 16, that will be 0.0625 ohm per centimeter. The resistivity of a wire, we will apply the formula R is equal to rho L by A. L is given, area of cross section we can find, and resistance we have calculated. So area of cross section of the wire formula is pi r square, that is 3.14. R is what? Diameter is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power 8 10 minus 2, and radius will be d by 2, that is 5 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So we will put this value in area. 3.14 25 by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So this is an area. We will put the value, now we will calculate the formula for the resistivity. R into A divided by L, it is resistivity. R is what? 1, A is 3.14 25 by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 4, and length will be, length is of the 16 centimeter, length of this wire 16 centimeter, we will convert into a meter, that is 16 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So here will be 16 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So next is, answer will be 3.14 into 25 divided by 4 into 16 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 10 raised to power plus 2. So we will calculate this value.